So today I'm going to share with you why your manifestations are blocked and how to fix it fast. So what if I told you money is trying to reach you right now, but you may be blocking it without even realizing it? So the energy of money is all around you. It's flowing, it's abundant, and it's ready to come into your life. But you're not actually letting it in. Unknowingly, you're pushing it away. You might think you're open to money, but if you're constantly worried about not having enough, stressed about running out, or how you're going to pay your bills or get a client, you're actually stopping the flow. Fear and lack create resistance, and that keeps money at a distance. So, how do you shift that? I'm so glad you asked. So, this is a really simple technique because when we're in worry, fear, and doubt, we're in our head, and our mind, its job is to keep us safe. So, what you want to do is drop into your heart. So you can put your hands on your heart to connect to your heart and get out of your head. And then think about somebody you love because you want to pull in the energy of love because money works through the energy of love. It's a higher vibration. So feel the love of the person you're thinking of. I think of my son, but you can think of a person, a pet, or something that makes you happy, like a great vacation. And then drop that person or experience and just feel the love and let it expand. An easy way to do it is you rub your hands, you feel the energy. Well, as you feel more love, you can feel it in your vibration in the field around your body. And then you step into trust. And this is where affirmations come in. One of my favorites is I trust the flow of money to come to me at the right time for my best and highest good. And I'm open to receiving. Doesn't that just make you feel good? And then repeat it 3 times. And the reason why is you're telling your mind some new information's coming in, and you want to embody this new emotion of love. So try it out and let me know how it goes and leave a comment below and let me know how it feels when you do the exercise. Okay, till next time.